Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Neha and today we are on a fifth day of our 5 days yoga practice for our PCOD. So please subscribe my channel before we start, and also you can click a bell icon right next to it. You can also follow me on Instagram with any of your doubts. Okay. So last 4 days we have been practicing and today is the last day. So let us start practicing now, and in the end I will tell you how to divide these 5 days of practice in your regular sessions. So last 1 minute I will be talking about that. So before that, let's start our practice. Now sit in Vajrasan. Before this, you should be done with your warm up as well as Surya Namaskaras 1 or 2 rounds. Inhale, lift your both the hands up straight. Stretch your arms out, tuck your tummy in. Inhale and exhale. Try to inhale as slow as possible so that you can keep taking breathe in and you can keep tucking your tummy in. Okay. Now inhale and exhale very slowly. Keep your eyes closed. Last one, inhale up. Lengthen your spine, lengthen your shoulder, tuck your tummy in, inhale completely, and then you're gonna exhale. You're gonna drop your hands down. Okay, now you're gonna turn to the right side and you're gonna lie down on your right hand. Okay, so I'm gonna give a support to my hand from here. I'm going to keep both the legs straight, and if you think keeping your both the knees straight and balancing your leg will be difficult, then you can keep your the leg which is on the floor, you can keep it bent. Okay, steady, relax with all the balance. Choose the right leg which is on the floor, you can keep it depending on your comfort zone. Now we're going to lift our left leg up and down. We are not targeting to stretch completely, just to give a hip joint movement from here. Inhale, 1, down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, stomach engaged, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we're going to create a circle. So remember, focus on the hip joint, keep your left hand on the floor, have a good balance. Now just focus on creating a big circle in the air. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the other side. 1, 2, 3. Even if you find some pain, just keep moving on. 4. That's just a tiredness of your body. 5. You can already feel your hip joint and your thigh, and that's absolutely fine. We're going to come up and we're going to shift the other side. Okay, now I'm going to lie down on the other side so that I can move my left leg up and down. So the right leg. Okay, my right hand on the floor. I'm completely relaxed. Now I'm going to start the movement. 1, 2, 3. Keep your knee straight. 4, 5. Feel the stretch here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the circle. 1, 2, 3. Feel your thigh and the leg. 4 and 5. The other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just keep a simple circle. You don't have to create a big circle because it's just for you to have a movement in your hip joint. Now we're going to lie down on the back. Drop your whole body weight down. You're going to be relaxed here for about 5 to 10 seconds. Okay. Keep your shoulders relaxed. From here, you're going to bend your right knee to the chest. Hold your knee from your both the hands. Keep pulling it to the thigh as far as possible. Other leg, toe pointing out. You're going to hold. 5, Take a long breathe in, long breathe out. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale completely. While exhaling, you're going to lift your forehead to the knee. Drop it down. Now you're going to create a circle from your left leg. Ready? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the anti-clockwise 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5. My left leg is relaxed now. You're going to hold your right thigh. You're going to hold your leg just behind the knee. From here, just try to lift your leg up, down, up, hold. 3, 2, 1. Now, from the left knee, I am going to push my left hand to the right side. Tap, center. Tap, center. Just a twist. 3, 4, 5. Gonna drop it down. Stretch your leg out. Now same thing the other side. Bend your left knee, hold your knee from your both the hands. Keep pulling it to the thigh. Hold 5. Remember, take a deep breath in and deep breathe out when you're holding this posture. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale, lift your head. Drop your head down. Now, hold your leg from behind. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, down. Inhale up, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now, from the right hand, you're going to drop your knee towards the right side just 5 times. Keep your left hand open, just a twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, mild twist. 5. Even if your leg doesn't go so down, that's okay. How much ever you can, just try focusing on that. Now, from here, bend your both the knee to the chest. Give a tight hug. Now close your eyes. Take long breathe in, breathe out 5 times just to focus on your stomach. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly drop your heel down. Now from here, you're going to open butterfly. You're going to drop your both the knee out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Keep both the hands on the thighs. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly center. Stretch your both the legs. Inhale and exhale. And now slowly turn towards your right side and then sit up. So it was quite a quick session because most of the things we have covered in first 4 days, and this is kind of a relaxing and very mild on the body. So these 5 days, how can you divide in your regular practice? You don't really have to do everything every day. If you can, then that's amazing. Please do it. If you cannot do that, then you can divide 3-day session. So it's like you have to start with your regular warm up, could be hands rotation, neck rotation, shoulder rotation, knee as well as ankle rotation, and then you're gonna practice any 2 or 3 days minimum. So you can pick whatever days you feel it's comfortable, and try to keep core as a major thing. Okay, so try to keep your core workout. I think day or day 3 we have practiced one of them, so you can practice that, and then you can pick any of the days, and so that you can practice one day 2 sessions or 3 sessions, another day the rest of the sessions. So make a combination and you can practice every day. If you think it is very mild and you are getting it very easy, then you can, whatever you find difficult, so either you try to stay in the posture for some more time. Maybe if you are practicing along with me, pause it. For example, if you are practicing a plank, then pause it and practice plank for about 30 seconds, and which you can improve slowly. And if you are doing a repetition, you can also increase the count of the repetition, and you can repeat the sequence. If the whole thing we have done in 5-10 minutes, you can do it 2 or 3 times. All right. So this was a question which I had in the comment. Most of the questions was the same, like how many days can you practice, do you have to practice all together or one by one? Now you know the answer. Make a combination and practice every day at home. So PCOD can definitely be rectified with this practice. Also take care of your diet, sleep for at least 8 hours a day. Your sleep and your food and your workout, whatever you practice, these three together can give you an excellent result in just 1 month or less. Okay, so keep practicing. If you have any doubts, write in the comment box. You can also ask me any doubts if you are in the Instagram. We'll surely reply for that. Thank you so much.